Welcome to the Herbal Medicine Department at ACHS, where you can confidently explore nature's most precious plants. Our interactive, engaging online herbalist training is designed to teach you to recognize and work with a wide range of herbs, many of which are common weeds. Our program offers several levels of training, from growing and harvesting herbs to making herbal teas and tinctures. Whether you're interested in studying for personal wellness or training to be a master herbalist, clinical herbalist, or herbal educator, there's a place for you at ACHS. All of our herbal programs are well suited for healthcare professionals who are searching for additional training in complementary healthcare. During our program, you'll learn to formulate herbal remedies to support wellness and enhance the optimal function of the body. ACHS brings you online classes with the experiential learning you'd find in a classroom using organic herbs and supplies for hands-on practical labs. Our herbal programs cover all aspects of herbal medicine training, and our Master Herbalist MH graduates of the ACHS Diploma in Herbal Studies program complete the education requirements to apply for professional membership with the American Herbalist Guild, AHG, a well-recognized professional association representing herbalists in the United States. In addition, our Master Herbalist graduates are also eligible to initiate the AHG clinical training requirement through the AHG Mentorship Program or with other herbal practitioners. Graduates can also apply for practitioner liability insurance. At ACHS, we help you develop the skills and knowledge you need to become a credentialed professional herbalist and develop a master herbalist professional practice. Apply for one of our herbal medicine programs today and take the next step toward your career in integrative health. Classes start June 29, 2023. Apply by June 2nd.